gosh. Oh boy.
Chocolate! Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate! Chocolate! More
What's
chocolate!
that? Oh, a baby girl.
Little girl.
Chocolate! More chocolate! Look, I get candy cane.
Oh, more chocolate? Wow.
Look how much chocolate.
Very nice.
And let's get this.
Oh, new jump rope.
Winnie the Pooh jump rope. Whoa, a Tigger too?
Look at, it's a doggy eraser. I mean, not eraser, but a sharpener. You put this pencil in there and then whack it here. This.
Oh, popcorn ball. That looks good. Chocolate.
Yeah.
Whoa, what is
That
that?
Lotion.
Oh, you got sparklies for arts and crafts.
Oh boy.
More sparklers. And a Kit Kat.
That's for to make a.
Oh, windows.
Yeah.
I'm window thing. See them?
Did you get everything in there? Let's see. Did you find everything?
Candy cane.
Oh, here's something that's fun. You look through that.
Kaleidoscope.
Yeah.
And then
You got everything. It's like candy.
that's just a
No, that's. Santa left the receipt in there too. Must have been in the sack.
and he dropped it in. Who wants to have a receipt in here?
Yeah,
Another
you gotta
sharpener.
turn it.
Awesome.
If you turn it while you're looking,
Look, and oh, we got it. We've got to take it off.
Let's see.
After
the
we're done, we'll
receipt.
take it off. Here, so you go like this. There.
This gotta be from a store in the North
yeah, you
Pole.
turn it. See there, it makes different designs.
Must be.
There's no store called Price. There's all kinds of ones.
Yeah. Whoa. There is all kinds of ones, huh?
Daddy, open your stocking. I get this one. Open your stocking.
Whoa.
Holy mackerel.
What the?
Look at all the stuff he got, your dad got.
I can open this. Chocolate.
Huh?
Tower game. Can I open this?
Yeah.
What's this?
What is it?
Whoa,
What?
score.
Movies? We can go see the movies?
Yeah.
Wow.
I just want the box back. Grandma can use the box that Santa left you.
Hey, no.
Okay, now you can open up your other stuff. Whoa, what is that? Huh?
See, you put this on him, then it'll look like the beast.
Well, that's from Beauty and the Beast.
That was it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this gives me a hint what it is.
Does it?
Yeah, Rapunzel doll. Coloring.
Oh, you got a bell.
diary.
And the bell goes with the Beauty and the Beast prints.
Whoa, what is this?
Oh my
Let me
goodness.
see, Belle. Put your head, put it down so up in front so I can see your head too.
Grandma,
There you go.
Grandma.
Hang on. Oh, you got Rapunzel.